And guys, sobrang thankful lang dito sa Loyola, especially kay Dr. and Dr. kasi supposedly surgery ni Andrea is January 28, pero consistent yung pain niya. 6 or 7 out of 10 every day, every night tinitiis niya kasi yun nga, schedule daw siya ng January 28. Pero nung nakausap ko si Dr. ayun, sobrang thankful talaga ako kasi nakausap ko siya Friday morning, and then he told me dalhin si Andrea sa ED ng Sunday night, which is ngayon, and sinabi niya sa akin na it can be done on Monday morning, first case, 7:30 AM. So talagang priority siya ni Dr. and ni Dr. kanina sa ED. And yeah, yun nga, may procedure siya, surgery siya, laparoscopic cholecystectomy. So yeah, tingnan natin. Currently nasa ultrasound siya, guys. Ayun, yeah, update na lang. Ayan guys, uwi muna tayo and babalik na lang tayo bukas ng umaga. I think mga around 4 AM kasi ayun, need ng mga bata ng kasama, and okay naman si Andrea doon. Naka-rest naman na siya, and binilin ko na siya sa nurse and yung kakilala kong resident doctor. So yeah, babalik na lang ako bukas ng umaga. And guys, good morning. Andito na naman tayo sa hospital. So currently it's 5:35 AM and ang procedure ni Andrea is 7:30. So baka ibaba na siya ng pre-op ng around 6 AM to 6:30. So punta ko siya sa room niya and dala ko yung mga bag and gamit. And ayun, tignan natin later. Ayun, ayan, papunta na ako dun sa 7th floor. Ayan, so nakakuha na tayo ng pass, guys. Ito, visitor's pass. And papunta na tayo ngayon sa 7th floor kung saan naka-admit si Andrea. And ayan, pag-pray nyo, guys. Alam ko uploaded na to pagkatapos, sure tapos ng procedure ni Andrea, but yeah, we've been praying the whole week. Ayan, and super thankful talaga ako kay Doc. Dahil parang isang sabi ko lang and then binook na nila agad. Super thankful. And guys, nandito na tayo sa elevator. Sorry, wala talaga ang tulog since mga nakaraang gabi pa, kasi yun nga, nag-aala tayo kay Andrea. Inasikasawan din natin yung mga bata, and ayan, and mamayang gabi may pasok pa ako, so let's see, later na lang. Good luck sa surgery mo. You got this. Lab coli lang yan, 2 hours. Don't be scared. Kilala naman natin yung mga nagsa-surgery, kaya yung team doon, already talk to them. Yeah, take care of you.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you. Punta mo ako agad, Dad. After ng surgery.
Nasa surgical waiting. For sure, doctor will gonna call me after. Tingnan na. Nandito na si Andrea sa pre-op, guys. Ang bilis lang ng proseso, no? Yeah, sobrang thankful talaga ako dito sa Loyola. Kasi ang bilis talaga. First case, lahat ready na yung room, and good to go na. So, yeah. Love you, Hal. Yeah, we always keep on praying. Oh, wait, Tom.
Feeling
Much better.
much better.
With the medicines and everything. Thank you.
Yeah, our phone is gonna be there in good hands. Listen to. Yeah. Room ready?
Room ready. I already got everything.
Yeah.
It's set, bro. It's set.
Thank you, thanks, Tom. Thank you.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you.
We'll take care of you.
Oh, hi, Lauren.
Hey.
Thank you, guys. Oh my God.
No, Lars.
So this is Christian. This is Lauren. Yeah.
I'm Pars.
Yeah. Yung kids, Dexter is in there. Dexter.
Doing pain right now.
Give a lot of meds. So.
It'll get better at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you guys all out of the room?
No, they're not overall. I just like I'm gonna come by and say hi before
we
go
abandoned
back.
the report.
The report. Oh, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Give it to me now.
And
For clean?
I
Okay.
just took that.
Up. Oh, thank you. This playing some Gaspar. Sing with Alan. Yep.
Yeah. Early in the morning, he was like, "So did you bring your gift?" Yeah. I have my gift now.
So this is like Tony and this is. So I'm fine
Yeah.
with it. As long as Tony is in there.
Yeah, Tony will be there. Yeah.
And then
Tony and
Lisa.
They're good.
you're good.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah. It's so nice.
Yeah.
We
I'm
coordinate
happy.
everything.
I'm happy that you were able to get in early and
Yeah.
get it
Lauren is
done.
texting me yesterday about the room assignment and stuff. Yeah.
Alright.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Yeah, we'll give you
Feel
extra
better.
blanket.
Again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Validate. Thank you guys. Oh, Ate Alana.
Parang may discomfort lang. Alam ko may something wrong.
Yeah.
Takot ako kasi baka kaya ko pa. Pero hindi ko na kaya. Kaya konting kaya. Masakit na sabi ko. Parang hindi ko kaya everyday na may pain.
Oo, kailangan mag-suffer.
Buti na lang.
Same day lang naman yun. So, umuwi ka pa.
Oh, and then I just got back. Yung mga Philadex ngayon this morning.
Ang
First,
check and then
yeah.
stay with anything.
Yeah. Everyone says okay
8
na.
o'clock pa naman yung trip mo.
Yeah.
Then start ng casting.
Ano, oh, ito. How many cases you got after?
Dalawa. And then short.
Ayan po?
Short lang siya.
Nasa?
And then cirrhosis lang.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
At least,
Yeah. I told her myself
you take
if I,
care of it.
Hi.
How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
It's good to meet you. No, I'm sorry it's under these circumstances. How are you feeling? A little better? A little different?
Better that. Yeah. A little discomfort, but much better.
It's all up there? Okay. And it's been persistent for the last few days? Okay. Anything else, Josh? Okay.
So thankful, Doctor. Yeah.
And then we'll talk later, okay? I'll find you downstairs and I'll find you afterwards, okay? Of course, thank you so much. And so we'll be a little nervous knowing it's surgery. Take good care of you, okay?
Thank you, Doc. Have a good day.
Thank you, Jay. I will find you downstairs.
Okay.
Thank you.
So ayan guys, nasa OR na si Andrea. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa surgical waiting and then mag-aantay. Pero prior to that, ito-drop ko muna tong gift ni Kuya King kay Klein sa sasakyan. And then punta na ako surgical waiting. Yan guys, so ito yung surgical waiting ng Loyola. Yan, so mag-check-in lang ako dyan. And then parang lounge yan, mag-aantay ako ng mga update or tawag ng start time kay Andrea. Or kung tapos na. So ayan, nakasulat. Surgery waiting. So dito yan guys. Check-in na ako. So ayan guys, waiting lang tayo dito. So bibigay nila yung MRN number. Sabi ni Dr. probably 45 to 90 minutes. So ayan, waiting lang tayo dito. And guys, like covered na siya. Hal, love you. Ayan, hopefully makauwi na kami tonight and fully recovered na. Naka-drain siya guys. Ayan o, sasintabi sa mga kumakain. Ayan, ayan, explain na lang namin siguro some other day yung nangyari sa surgery niya. Ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay guys. This is Andrea. Good morning, Han. Still recovering, but she ambulate already. And okay naman. Still naka-drain siya guys. Ayan, pakita ko lang guys Ayan, which is nagdugo kagabi. And tumakbo Walgreens. And yeah, pinalitan na natin yung dressing. Drain na din natin. And ayun, minilog natin. Parang nag-plug kasi siya guys. Share ko lang guys para kung sakali may family kayo na may same situation like me. Ayan, just in case. So ayan, mini-milk to. Pagka di-discharge, ituturo naman sa inyo. Pero yan yung mga dapat nyo gawin. I-drain to, i-record yung output kung ilan until dun sa preferred na kung kailan siya babalik. And guys, again guys, maraming salamat sa mga prayers nyo kay Andrea. Love you, Hal. Yan, thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-pray, nakaalala. And maraming salamat guys. Thank you sa lahat. Yan. Bye.